Let's face it, spreadsheets can be a little bland, especially when you're trying to define the exact geometric requirements that you need in your model. In the scope, we're able to define a visual grid of those requirements so that everyone can truly understand and see what they are required to do. Let's take a look. Right now, we have placeholder images representing what we need. You can use the elements from the library. If we go to the library and open up and pick that library from the drop-down, inside of here, we can find certain elements inside of these and drag them in. Or we could use the search in this case to find the stairs and see that there are lots of different types of stairs. Here we're going to look at the concrete stairs and quite simply closing that and then maybe dragging in this concrete stair flight as an item inside of our requirements. If you want to do that yourself and find your own images, you can add them by simply editing this stair flight and then adding your own images. So just by dragging another image, maybe from a Google search, so you can simply look at loads of different images online using a Google search and then identifying using an algorithm. We see the object and remove the background so that it's clear for your scope. It's a pretty simple process, and now we've got this image with an isolated background, and that is now able to define our geometry in our scope. Really simple and really visual. Now we can start to define that in our scope so that everyone truly understands what these requirements are. This requirement coming from our library also has a representation of different geometry based on the requirements at a certain point in time. So you could see potentially requiring 2D geometry and then 3D geometry at a later stage and more detailed representation even later on. That's up to you as you define your scope. Make sure you know that you have a customer for each of those representations so that you're not unnecessarily building scope for no requirement. This simple visual way of defining your requirements boosts your team's understanding of exactly what they need to do when, and whether it's a model element or a report or some kind of deliverable. These visual ways of communicating these requirements make it a lot clearer for teams so that they understand exactly what they need to do when, and everyone's on the same page. Remember, don't plan late, plan early with Plannerly.